Welcome back to SPON Academy. Today, we'll be discussing the types of speakers, constant voltage and low-impedance speakers. Understanding the difference between these two types of speakers is crucial for proper setup and optimal sound quality in your PA system. First of all, let's understand the key difference between these two speakers. Constant voltage speakers operate on a constant voltage, typically 70 volts or 100 volts. They use a built-in transformer to step down the voltage to a suitable level for the speaker driver. This allows for efficient power distribution over long distances, making them ideal for large venues with multiple speaker zones. Low-impedance speakers typically are 4, 8, or 16 ohms, and it was usually connected directly to the amplifier. They require a more powerful amplifier to drive them, but they can often deliver higher sound quality and power output. Now, we need to know the connection of these two speakers. First, let's take a look at the constant voltage speaker. This is an amplifier for PA system. As you can see by the interface, this amplifier supports both constant voltage and low impedance speaker, which are 100 volts and 8 to 16 ohms. And this one is a constant voltage speaker. First, we need to identify the voltage rating of the speaker. This information is usually printed on the back of the speaker. Connect the speaker's terminals to the appropriate taps on the amplifier's output transformer. And remember, always ensure correct polarity. Incorrect polarity can lead to poor sound quality and potential damage to the speaker. This is a low-impedance horn speaker. With this speaker, we need to match the speaker's impedance to the amplifier's output impedance. This speaker is 8 ohms, which is matched to the amplifier's 8 to 16 ohms output. And just like the constant voltage speaker, we need to ensure the polarity, which are shown on the amplifier output and speaker's manual. In this video, we've explored the fundamental differences between constant voltage and low-impedance speakers and how to connect them to the amplifier. Understanding these differences is crucial for selecting the right speakers for your specific application and ensuring optimal audio performance. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website, www.sponcom.com. Thank you for watching.